Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at some sounds in English. You may know some of these. This is the phonemic chart, all the sounds of typical British English. At the top half, you've got all the vowel sounds, like A, E, I, O, U, all of the vowel sounds. Underneath that line, you've got all of the consonant sounds, so all the other letters. B, C, D, F, G, H. So today I want to look at two sounds, this one and this one. This is the S sound, S for sea. You swim in the sea. This is Z, the Z sound for zoo. A buzzy bee makes a Z sound. S, Z, S, Z. The mouth is exactly the same shape for both S and Z. Exactly the same, nothing changes. The only difference is sound, is voice. First of all, have you got clean fingers? Excellent. Put your clean fingers here on your throat and say S. It's like a snake. You just breathe in, breathe out. S. Can you feel anything here? S. Hopefully, no. S. And now switch on the voice. Make some sound and go Z. Can you feel anything now? Z. Hopefully you can feel vibration. So you can go from S to Z by switching on the sound. Try it. Go fingers here on your throat and go S. Okay, have a look at these words and these pictures. Here's a picture of Sue with a S sound. Sue. Look at this side. A picture of a panda in the zoo. Sue, zoo. S, Z, Sue, zoo. Look at this one. Bus, bus. And the sound of the B, buzz. Bus, buzz. Little boy having a drink. Sip, sip. And what you have on a bag, a zip. Sip, zip. And then the price of something. If you buy something in the shop, it's a price, £10. Or if you're very good at a sport, you win a prize. Price, prize. English pronunciation, the sounds of English, the sounds S and Z. Easy peasy with Uncle Geoff's help. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.